The name of the organelle is the nucleus. The nucleus is located inside the cell. The nucleus is the house to the chromosomes, which consist of DNA. This kind of works like your house, being the nucleus, and you as the chromosomes, and your toys as the DNA. The nucleus is bound by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope. It separates the parts of the nucleus and the cytoplasm. It keeps its shape and regulates the flow of molecules in and out of the cell pores. The nuclear envelope is kind of like the playground fence. It stops the bad guys from coming into the playground to keep you safe, but also lets you out when it's time to go home.
To visualize this concept better, think about how in SpongeBob SquarePants, Mr. Krabs loves and protects the Krabby Patty formula. The Krabby Patty formula is the most important part of the restaurant because without its secrets, the patties would taste bad. Without good tasting patties, there would be 0 customers, just like at the Jump Bucket. This means Mr. Krabs would not make profit, which is a problem as he loves money. To keep his formula safe, he does not let anyone near it. In fact, he keeps it in a safe box inside his office, which is inside his restaurant, and only SpongeBob knows the formula in order to replicate the patties. Mr. Krabs can trust SpongeBob because he respects and takes care of Krabby Patties just like he would. Now imagine the Krabby Patty formula as DNA, and all that protects it is the nucleus. Plankton is the bad guy that can ruin DNA and then take over your body with certain illness.
The nucleus have very important functions such as the storing of header-chain information, which is the reason why some of you guys look like your parents. The nucleus is just like your school folder, since it stores all your paper that will later be needed in the class for future homeworks. The nucleus is also the control center of the cell. It is responsible for growth in a cell, protein creation, and reproduction. Think of the nucleus as your teacher. The teacher controls everything that happens in the classroom. The teacher asks you to do your homework, classwork, and also gives you permission to go to a restroom. Every time you guys want to do something, you first need to ask the teacher. Just as when an organelle wants to do something, it first needs to ask the nucleus.
Although the nucleus can be considered big and strong, just how you guys will be when you grow up, it can also get sick, just like anyone. Let's look at it this way. When winter season comes around, we might get a cold or a fever, and because we get sick, we need that extra special love and attention from our parent. The nucleus also experiences this. It can get some harsh diseases when its 2 protein partners, lamin A and lamin B, get sick. Since the nucleus spends every day with its 2 proteins, anything that injures them will also injure the nucleus. This is when the nucleus needs extra love and attention from us in order for it to feel better and avoid the diseases that it might get.